The Dow Jones Industrial Average continues to flirt with record high territory levels this Wednesday afternoon as bullish sentiment, inspired by vaccine developments from Pfizer and Eli Lilly, as well as easing political risk, helped push U.S. stocks higher. Meanwhile, in the Forex market, it's more of the same since the morning. The euro-dollar, the downside prevails. The British pound-U.S. dollar pair, that's under pressure and in focus. The pair remains capped by the strong resistance at 132.55 and by its 20 and 50 period moving averages. Short positions below 132.55 are favored with targets at 131.70 and 131.20 in extension. Moving on, the U.S. dollar-Japanese yen pair, that sees the upside prevail. This while the Bitcoin dollar intraday sees the upside prevail as long as 15,310 is the support. And then turning focus over to precious metals, gold intraday, that's under pressure and in focus. Gold remains on the downside below the key resistance at 1891. Short positions below that figure are favored at 1860 and 1850 in extension. This while silver intraday has its watch level 23.55 a troy ounce. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter and other social media networks for all of your Forex market updates. And for Trading Central Web TV on this Wednesday afternoon, I'm James Swinney.